Introducing the Schick Hydro Silk Touch-Up Dermaplaning Tool, a versatile beauty essential for quick, easy touch-ups. It expertly shapes eyebrows, removes fine hairs, and smooths skin with gentle exfoliation. Perfect for last-minute grooming, this portable razor features a precision cover for expert control. Dermatologist tested with micro-guards for safety, it's a must-have for on-the-go beauty. Plus, it's recyclable. Meet the Kintion Pocket Mirror, a compact essential for flawless on-the-go makeup. This two-sided mirror offers 1x and 3x magnification, perfect for both overall makeup and detailed grooming. The built-in LED lighting ensures true color accuracy in any setting. Compact enough for your pocket or purse, it's ideal for travel. With a 180-degree flat opening and hidden magnetic switches, it's easy to use. Elegantly designed, it makes a perfect gift for any occasion. Keep your look perfect anytime with the Kintion Pocket Mirror. Meet the Nano Steamer, a 3-in-1 facial steamer that delivers spa-quality results at home. It generates Nano Ionic steam, 10x more effective in penetrating skin, and includes a 5-piece stainless steel skin kit for blackhead removal. This multi-functional device also works as a humidifier and towel warmer, with a 30-minute runtime and auto shutoff for convenience. Introducing the DUcare Foundation Brush for liquid makeup, a super dense brush with a flat head that delivers flawless, streak-free application every time. Its soft, silky bristles are perfect for buffing and blending, far superior to sponges or blenders. Made from premium synthetic fibers, this cruelty-free brush doesn't absorb foundation, ensuring even coverage and easy cleaning. With no shedding, thanks to an 80-step manufacturing process, this brush guarantees professional results. Experience perfection with the DUcare Foundation Brush. Check out the Revlon dual-ended jelly makeup blender tool designed for flawless makeup. Its soft, jelly-like silicone tips mimic fingertips without the mess. Hypoallergenic and latex-free, it's more hygienic than traditional sponges due to its non-absorbent material. The dual ends offer versatility. The precision tip is ideal for concealing and blending around eyes and lips, while the larger tip is perfect for contouring, highlighting, and blending blush or bronzer. This tool ensures a smooth, natural finish, making makeup application easier and cleaner. No fingers needed.
The cleaner, better jelly makeup blender. New Revlon Jelly Makeup Blender. Cleans up faster. Works with all makeup. Jelly-like silicone. A finger-like feel. Are you ready? New Revlon dual-ended jelly makeup blender.